After you have this shape, we'll make sure to select it using the selection tool. You can click drag over it or merely click on the edge, it doesn't matter. As long as you're in object mode, you should be able to select the entire path and highlight it in green. Next thing we do is we go to surfaces and we select revolve. Now we go to the revolve option settings and make sure that it's set for reset, and then we click revolve. There you see. Now the surface revolves around the x-axis. If you didn't see that already in the revolve options, you can revolve a surface underneath the x, or sorry, it was revolved around the y-axis, but as you can see here, you can adjust how the surface revolves. There are also some other settings too here, like the sweep angle, create half of the shape, create more segments, which means more detail, but all in all, they don't have you do anything other than just revolve the surface. Now, one thing you may notice is that if this happens to you, see the cup is completely black. One thing you'll have to do is reverse the normals, or reverse how the image or how the program displays the surface. That sounds kind of weird, but if I was to apply color to this object, you wouldn't be able to see it. So while it's still selected, if you revolve the surface and you wind up with a shape like this, we just go to surfaces, and right down here at the bottom we click reverse direction. There we go. So now if I apply a color to this object, you'll be able to see it. So it's just kind of a weird thing that happens in Maya now and again. The surface doesn't reflect, or isn't projected the way it should be, in which case you have to go in there and modify those settings. I'll show you what you can do with the object here in the next video.